touching you. Just come to me.
You have a knife, I have an army. Through sweat and blood, I'll take the crown. There's nothing you can do to stop me. I'm soaring high, you're going down. And I can't stop running, I won't stop running. There's no way I'm gonna stop. You can beat me, you may defeat me, but you will learn I never give up. When the pain comes, you run away, cause you were afraid that you're gonna fall. I'm walking through fire up the hill. It's meant to be. Forging a kingdom through my will. While you live in a fantasy with the power of my will. You're caught in dreams, I am working. You're chasing joy, I stand the pain. You're mellow warm while I am burning. You waste your nights, I seize the day. Every day, every day, every day. And I never care for the moon, no, I'm always aiming right at the sun. While you're never doing the things you know you should do, you're waiting too long. When the pain comes, I will embrace it, knowing it's only making me strong. It's only making me strong, making me strong. I'm walking through fire up the hill. It's meant to be. Forging a kingdom through my will. While you live in a fantasy with the power of my will. Sun goes down and the hunt is on. What you gonna do when they're coming for you? Fight until the break of dawn. Time is running out, you're calling. Hey, hey. You've been dreaming way too long. Hiding in a cave from the sunlight. You can give it up and come along. Do not resist, just come and follow.